Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. This morning we went to the gym, came back home, took a shower, always, and I have an 8 o'clock appointment. So now, in the meantime, I'm going to do my journaling and then get out of here. So today's quote is, it's so much better to promote what you love than to bash what you hate. That is true. And the first thing it asks is, or say, I am grateful for, and you can go ahead and write the 3 things you are grateful for. And you can also write, if you want, 3 things that would make today great. What are your 3 things that would make today great? 5-minute journal. I'm going to make a smoothie and head out. Have strawberry, mango, carrots, and date. I use date as a sweetener. We're gonna blend this. It's gonna be a bit noisy here. So I'm gonna pour it in this reuse jar already. This jar, because I want to take it with me and leave some of this for my husband. Tasty. So it's carrot, strawberry, and mango. Tasty, so I'm gonna take this with me. And I add dates for sweetening. The church bell, and I think I want a bell. Not necessarily a church bell, but a bell on a property. Ask me why. Hoping that this salon is open because I want to just get my day started early and get on to other stuff. Today is a packed day. Usually I like to have 3 important things done in a day, and that's my limit, because after 12 I'm down. I'm almost finished with my drink. Oh. I just got done with my nails and my toes. They're looking better than before. Oh. was a quick 10 minutes yoga. So I challenged a friend that we would do yoga together. It doesn't matter what time of the day, but we will do yoga wherever we are. Whether in the morning, afternoon, or evening, or at night, whatever time that is best. And so there, I just completed the challenge. It was a wonderful day. I got my nails done, had breakfast with the husband, did yoga, eat, repeat. It was a productive day. Well, we're gonna take this boy out for a walk, and that's it for our day. Oh yes, we're going for tamales. Rest is productive. It's a part of my schedule, resting. I'm gonna end here. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.